Good morning. Please come in and sit down. Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
I have a bad headache every day. I have a bad headache every day.
Is the pain on one side or both? Is the pain on one side or both?
I also feel very tired all the time. I also feel very tired all the time.
Have you lost your appetite? Have you lost your appetite?
Yes. I cannot eat much these days.
Do you have any body pain? Do you have any body pain?
Yes, my whole body feels achy. Yes, my whole body feels achy.
Are you sleeping well at night? Are you sleeping well at night?
No, I wake up several times at night. No, I wake up several times at night.
Have you taken any medicine at home? Have you taken any medicine at home?
I took some paracetamol. It helped a little. I took some paracetamol. It helped a little.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol? Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, doctor, I do not smoke or drink. No, doctor, I do not smoke or drink. Open your mouth. Let me check your throat. Open your mouth. Let me check your throat. Do I need any blood tests? Do I need any blood tests? What should I eat during this time? What should I eat during this time?
Eat soft and warm food only. Eat soft and warm food only.
Can I eat rice and vegetables? Can I eat rice and vegetables?
Yes. That is perfect for you now. Yes. That is perfect for you now.
Should I avoid any food?
Yeah.
Should I avoid any food?
Avoid cold drinks and fried food completely. Avoid cold drinks and fried food completely.
Should I rest at home? Should I rest at home?
Yes. Rest is very important for recovery. Yes. Rest is very important for recovery.
Can I drink tea or coffee?
No.
Can I drink tea or coffee?
Warm tea with honey is good for you. Warm tea with honey is good for you.
Can I use a fan or AC? Can I use a fan or AC?
Please avoid cold air for now. Please avoid cold air for now. Now let me write your prescription. I am writing 3 medicines for you. I am writing 3 medicines for you.
When should I come back, doctor? When should I come back, doctor?
Come back in 5 days. Come back in 5 days.
Can I call you on this number? Can I call you on this number?
Yes. Call anytime if you need help. Yes. Call anytime if you need help.
Is there a pharmacy near here? Is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes. There is one just outside the building. Yes. There is one just outside the building.
Goodbye, doctor. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Get well very soon. Goodbye. Get well very soon.
Excuse me. I need some medicines, please.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I need some medicines, please. I have a prescription from the doctor. I have a prescription from the doctor. Can you give me all these medicines? Can you give me all these medicines? Please put all the medicines in one bag. Please put all the medicines in one bag. I hope I feel better in a few days. I hope I feel better in a few days.